Many people are aware of the common ways to earn a part-time income at home. Babysitting or in-home daycare centers are often the number one choice for stay-at-home moms who want to earn a second income for their families. Stuffing envelopes or making jewelry are some other commonly known ways of making a part-time income at home. But, in the new age of computer technology and internet commerce, there are many other ways that you can make a second income at home. Anyone with basic computer skills can make money part-time at home. There are many companies out there that rely on independent contractors to sell their products. Those with time on their hands can use internet marketing and call lists to make a part-time income at home through sales and commissions. Some of the companies out there are scams, however, so watch out. Those who are not interested in sales but have basic typing skills can make a part-time income at home by performing data entry tasks online. There are many opportunities available with companies, both positions, and as an independent contractor. You can also find work in data entry through Bid4Work websites. Those with more advanced computer ability can perform work as a virtual assistant. This can be a great way to earn a second income at home without getting bored from doing the same thing over and over again. As a virtual assistant, you never know what type of projects you could get. You may be doing spreadsheets or you might be typing from scan pages. Whatever you will be doing, you can be sure to earn a great part-time income while staying at home. If you have writing ability, you can also look into getting a part-time income working as a copywriter. Copywriters write much of the content that you see on websites, in advertising, and even in many online magazines. You can make a very good second income stream while working at home, exercising your creativity, and enjoying a variety of work. There are many other ways that you can earn a part-time income from home, such as transcription, medical transcription, affiliate marketing, and running a blog with Google AdSense. Whatever type of work you decide to do to earn a part-time income from home, make sure that you check out the company thoroughly. For every legitimate second income opportunity, there is a scam. Make sure that you get involved in a legitimate income opportunity. To receive your free report on second income opportunities, click the link below.